Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore n8n credentials and variable mappings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore n8n credentials and variable mappings, begin by accessing your n8n installation. Locate the backup file containing your previous credentials and variable mappings. If you haven't created a backup yet, ensure you do so for future use. Open the backup file using a text editor to examine its contents. Identify the sections related to credentials and variable mappings. Take note of any relevant IDs or names associated with these items. Next, navigate to your n8n dashboard. Go to the Credentials section from the main menu. Click on the Create button to add new credentials. Fill in the required fields with the information from your backup. Ensure that you accurately input all necessary details for each credential. Once done, save your progress. Next, move to the Settings tab within n8n. Select the Variables option to access variable mappings. Click on the Create button to add new variables. Refer to your backup file again to fill in the variable details. Double-check for accuracy to ensure the mappings function correctly. After entering all variable mappings, save your changes. Review your newly restored credentials and variables to confirm their accuracy. Finally, run a test workflow using the restored credentials and variable mappings. Monitor the workflow's performance to ensure all components interact seamlessly. With successful testing, your credentials and variable mappings are now fully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.